Plan with purpose. Teach with confidence. Welcome. Let's walk through taking attendance and creating attendance reports. Once you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. Click on the Attendance tab. Next, select your class from the list. The current date will automatically be displayed at the top. Taking attendance. If all students are present, click Mark All Present. Then, click Save Attendance to record it. If you have students who are absent, click their names to mark them as absent. For students who are late, mark them as tardy. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a summary, for example, 16 present, 2 tardy, 2 absent. Be sure to click Save Attendance again to finalize your entries. Making corrections. If a student tells you they were marked absent by mistake, you can easily correct it. Go back to the date in question by selecting it from the calendar. Find the student who was marked absent, update their status to present, and click Save Attendance. By default, names are listed alphabetically by first name, but you can switch to sort by last name if you prefer. Viewing attendance reports. To review attendance data, click on the Reports tab. Select your desired date range, for example, October 1st to October 25th. You can include all class periods or select specific one. Click Generate Report. You'll see a graph showing attendance breakdown. Hover over each section of the chart to see the exact numbers. Student-specific reports. To check attendance for a specific student, select their name and click Generate Report. You'll see their attendance history, including days marked present, tardy, or absent. For example, a student might have a 50% attendance rate, along with a detailed breakdown of each day. You're now ready to confidently take attendance and review reports. You're all set. Now go inspire.